Best deals.
1. Square steamer. Comes with 3 square idli plates and 3 dokla plates that create perfectly steamed, visually distinct snacks. Add a creative twist to your regular meals with consistent, fluffy results every time. Designed for more than just idlis, but easily steam momos and vegetables. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pan organizer. Elevate your kitchen with this pan organizer under cabinet. Featuring 3 adjustable shelves and robust stainless steel, it's the ultimate storage solution. Enjoy sturdy, kitchen cabinet organizer support with our pot and pan organizer. Fits all sizes with adjustable tiers. Stainless steel ensures durability and accessibility. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Glass containers. Made with high borosilicate glass, a protective silicone sleeve, and BPA-free lids, these containers are durable, toxin-free, and 100% food safe. They are microwave, oven freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them perfect for cooking. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Oil dispenser. Cute duck-shaped silicone brush head with smart triangular support keeps the brush elevated. Features a 360-degree shake-proof and leak-proof design with double-layer protection, built-in sealing ring, and locking lid mechanism. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Blender. Press and hold power switch for 2 seconds to initiate blending. To clean, simply add 2/3 road water to the jar and blend one full cycle of 45 secs. Perfect for instantly making anything from powders to protein shakes to smoothies to milkshakes and even baby food. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Mop. This mini mop fits right in your hand, perfect for quick cleanups like table spills, countertops, cupboards, or daily messes. Simple push and pull mechanism allows efficient cleaning and drying of the mop. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Hot pot stand. Prevent countertop and dining tables from risk of being damaged from hot vessel. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Strainer pot. The multi-pot with lid is made of high-quality stainless. The strainer pot has lockable bakelite handles which gives a secure grip, holds the lid in place while cooking and prevents spills. The strainer does not react with food or leach harmful substances into food. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lint remover. Effectively removes lint, fuzz, pills, and burrs from woolen clothes, shirts, jackets, carpets, and curtains. Gentle yet effective on a wide range of materials without causing damage, perfect for use at home or on the go. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Oil pourer. Durable steel stainless body ensures long-lasting performance, rust resistance, and a sleek modern look. Perfectly sized oil dispenser 1 liter for storing cooking oil, vinegar, or sauces, reducing the need for frequent refills. Drip-free spout provides smooth and controlled pouring. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Flour sifter. The double-layer flour sieve is the best flour sieve for baking cakes and pastries, or bread. It is the perfect gift for wives, parents, grandparents and bakers. The flour sieve has a capacity of 4 cups, the flour does not overflow out of the cup. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glass jar. Crafted from non-toxic, lead-free glass, these jars ensure your pantry staples stay fresh and uncontaminated, providing a safe storage solution for all your kitchen needs. Featuring durable matte black tin lids with an acrylic interior, these jars offer a secure airtight seal. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Storage bag. Made up of PVC material. The bag provides complete protection from dust, moths, moisture, and rain. You can store them for long periods of time without acquiring dust, water and moisture, can be kept in your storage beds, closets, wardrobes. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Matka stand. Made of 5 mm thick wire and stainless steel material for trustable durability, longevity, and anti-rusting properties. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Toiletries bottles kit. including 3 colors travel bottle for toiletries, convenient for your distinguish different products. You can also paste name label on bottles, more convenient to use. The silicone travel bottles are made of eco-friendly silicone material, soft yet durable, not easy to deform and easy to use, sanitary and convenient. All material of the travel silicone bottles is BPA free. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Wardrobe organizer. Feature multiple compartments to neatly store and segregate, foldable wardrobe for clothes, linens, and other household items. The sturdy plastic baskets have perforated sides, wardrobe organizer allowing air circulation to prevent moisture buildup and odors. The bins can be stacked vertically or arranged side by side, stackable organizer for wardrobe maximizing storage space in your wardrobe or closet. With open top design, shirt organizer for wardrobe you can easily retrieve or put away items without hassle. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cast iron kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron kadai is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Trim tape. Its transparent design, enhanced with a delicate plum blossom pattern, adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sprout maker. With air ventilation has attractive and elegant look coupled with a classy finish makes it a must-have for most homes. Canisters are manufactured from quality stainless steel and cutting-edge technology to meet standards. The high-quality material also takes care of your health and hygiene. It's very sturdy and is functional. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Dough maker bag. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, safe, environmentally friendly, wear-resistant, good storage, and can be reused and used for a long time. Mix, grind food, store or keep food in a closed. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Containers. The modern design features an anti-skid base, transparent airtight lids perfect for storing food and serving. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Table protector. It's heat resistant up to 80 degrees Celsius, 100% waterproof, adhesive free. Universal application on all tables. No installation required. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Coconut scraper. Grinder wheel provided for sharpening home knives. Use 2 drops machine oil in 50 days. Good quality synthetic rubber used to create vacuum for firm holding of machine on flat kitchen platform. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Towel holder bar. Equipped with strong adhesive backing for quick, drill-free mounting on smooth surfaces like tiles, glass, or stainless steel, no tools required. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Soap dispenser. Simple and modern design incorporates a soap dispenser, tray holder and sponge, making it easy to dispense soap with one hand for quick dishwashing, whilst reducing the space taken up on your sink. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Frother. Features an aerodynamic design, ensuring rapid and consistent foam production. This versatile coffee frother and blender is perfect for creating luxurious froth for all your favorite beverages. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Anodized tope. Is aluminum cookware that has been put through an electrochemical bath that hardens the aluminum to the strength of stainless steel cookware, and has a layer of oxidation. This lightweight quality cookware are extremely durable, resists scratches and is non-porous, meaning it won't absorb smells from the food that has been cooked in it. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Organizer. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, the span holder is not only sturdy and long-lasting but also adds a natural, stylish touch to your kitchen. The compact design of our rack allows you to efficiently store multiple kitchen essentials. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Dustbin. The surface of the lid is designed with simulated wood grain, and inner has a pressing ring, which can cover the dustbin bag without affecting the appearance of the trash can. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Cast iron tawa. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron tawa is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Electric kettle. Embrace the freedom of mobility with our ultra-light and compact electric kettle. Ideal for on-the-go moms, it's a game changer for quick, hot meals and beverages anywhere, anytime. Not just for hot drinks, this kettle is a boon for boiling eggs and preparing a variety of quick meals, making it a multi-purpose tool in your culinary arsenal. The high-quality non-stick coating ensures a swift cleanup, keeping your kettle pristine after every use. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Storage organizer. Featuring book storage compartments and 3 transparent drawers for stationery, perfect for home office or study space organization. Made from durable HIPS, ABS, and PP materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and stability during daily use, has ample storage capacity to store all your needs. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Cleaning brush. Made of high-quality ABS material and the handle is made of PP with durable nylon bristles. The silicone button has good sealing performance without worrying about leaks. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Soap case. The leak-proof design keeps your soap dry and prevents spills, ensuring a mess-free experience whether you are traveling, camping, or hiking. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Lunch box. The containers are microwave safe and feature a steel inner lining, suitable for reheating food without the lid in microwave mode. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Murukka machine. Perfect for making chikli, murukka, idiyappam, noodles, and more without the need for electricity. Durable and rust-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Simply assemble and operate manually for hassle-free cooking experience. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Trays. Their radiant polished finish brings an opulent charm to dressing tables, vanities, or shelves while offering a stylish way to arrange and display rings, necklaces, and other jewelry. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Chopper. The material of the chopper is non-toxic plastic. The sharp stainless steel blades are fast to chop and mince. The bowl is BPA-free and safe for containing food. Chopper has advantage of simple structure, compact value, and convenience. Space-saving and portable, can store very easily in our kitchen. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Microfiber cloth. Made of microfiber, helps absorbing fine dust and hair, allows you to clean any surface quicker and better with less effort. Drop in the laundry or hand wash and hang dry for long-lasting cleaning performance. Durable and can be machine washed time and time again. Suitable for cleaning the floor, especially wooden floor and some smooth costly floor. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Ceramic dinner. Made from premium ceramic, ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance to everyday wear and tear. The high-fired material makes it chip-resistant. Product link is given in the 40th link. 41. Spice rack. Rack offers 2 spacious tiers, allowing you to efficiently store a wide range of kitchen items. Product link is given in the 41st link. 42. Strainer. Product link is given in the 42nd link. 43. Dumpling maker. Effortlessly create uniform meatballs, dumplings, pakoras, gota, bhajia, Manchurian, and more with this versatile kitchen gadget. Product link is given in the 43rd link. 44. Cook kettle. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle cum cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. This innovative kettle is more than just a kettle. With a range of cooking modes. Boil water or milk for baby food or senior citizen, prepare tea, coffee, soups, stews and any liquid food with ease, all in one compact appliance. The spacious 1.2 L capacity is perfect for cooking meals for one or for the entire family. Save time and energy with the ability to prepare larger quantities in a single batch. Cleaning up has never been easier. Superior version of non-stick coating, the ceramic coating prevents food from sticking to the kettle, making it a breeze to clean. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your culinary creations. You can spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoy power. Equipped with a robust 600W motor, this kettle ensures quick and efficient cooking. Experience faster boiling and cooking times for your meals. The sleek and compact design of our multi-cook kettle not only saves valuable counter space but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. It's a stylish addition that complements any kitchen decor. Tailor your cooking experience to your needs with our multi-power modes. Whether you need a rapid boil or a gentle simmer, the adjustable power settings allow you to customize the cooking process for optimal results. Glass lid, they allow you to see the food as it cooks without lifting the lid, helps reduce mess and is energy efficient and looks more modern and stylish, enhancing the overall appearance of your kitchenware. Product link is given in the 44th link.